Peppermint is essential oil for headache. When a lot of people thinks for using peppermint, they think even in desert time using the peppermint candies and cookies. Bell peppermint is wonderful as a dessert. One of my personal favorite way to use the actually when I get a headache. In this way, we can use peppermint topically. We apply directly to the skin and really help with headache in the bud before it get worse. Now this is the little bit different than the other herbal preparation that we use, because we will be using the essential oil of the peppermint. Again, we are not integrating it, we are simply applying it, and so because of that we do not need to dilute it down with a little bit of carrier oil. Now carrier oil does not need to be anything fancy, pretty much be any vegetable oil will do. My personal favorite is to use the olive oil. The ratio is 2 of 3 drops. The peppermint essential oil in the ounce of the carrier oil, and that approximately 2 tablespoons. So all of you need to a boil, okay, and you can you pour your carrier oil in drop of the 2 and 3 drops to the peppermint essential oil, and then mix well. A cotton ball makes some really easy way to apply it directly to the skin. Okay, so you can have some cotton and just put it in that oil and just apply on the head wherever the place the where headache is coming. It's I do recommend doing the patch test and skin first on the forehead, just to make sure that your skin does not react. There is a few people they will have some type of allergy and irritation when peppermint is applied directly to the skin, but if everything went okay, so with this I recommend applying to these temples, and then other temple is directly across your forehead. Please do be you're careful to avoid the eyes, because we don't want to any of the gentle oil to get into the eye, otherwise it will cause some irritation. The other safety consideration is not to be used in pregnant women. If you do have some patches around, we are a little bit curious about once you apply the peppermint. I also recommend that you apply down for a little bit. You are able finding a nice quiet dark room can really just help you that promote some relaxation. Taking some deep breath will also really get the aroma of peppermint, and you can really let it work its magic as uh, it's site on the skin and you're taking deep breathing. It's really wonderful, peaceful, and the way to help treat headache. Again, if your headache is more severe, you are having any other sign like vomiting or vision changes, there is a sign of more severe headache, peppermint is not appropriate in those cases.